Yung best friend forever guys.
Shoulders, knees, toes, head, head. Okay, go. Hindi mo yung warm up? Warm up. Gulay sa bahay kubo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Siya pala gumuguya kanina si Juan.
Pagiging mo pang isang kisap mata. Hindi na inalayalang pawabat.
Nyo? Alin? Ano order? Meron pa ako. Ako din, be. Gutom na kami. Alam akong best friend forever. Oo. Paano mo i-details yun? Nandun yung cellphone.
Yung best friend forever guys.
Ay, sasabihin daw yung phone.
Sasabihin po. Ganyan ba ang boses ng nagtatanong, ma'am?
Ay, ganyan ka ba? Ay, di na lang ako magtanong kung galing ka. Di na lang kami order.
Guys, nakitagay na kami. Picturean, send sa JC. Ako yung iced coffee. Iced tea ako na rin. Check nyo lahat ng order. May quarter pounder to. Sino nakadap? Ano? May ketchup na? Meron ba ako lang sa inyo? Tsaka na lang. Tatlo lang? Uy, nasa yung best friend here?
Andito. So, andito na yung...
Ang dami natin french fries tapos
chicken.
tatlo lang. Okay, sabi ko.
Uy, may motor.
Wala. Okay na. Kuya, tatlo lang daw po yung ketchup.
Pwede po humingi pa po.
Pwede po humingi. Ang dami kasi best friend forever fries eh.
Homer! Hi, Jello! Smile, Homer! Jello! Shit!
Hindi kayo, ma'am.
Hi! Jello, are you ready? If you're ready, thumbs up! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord! Si Jello!
Oh, yes! Wala pa rin. Ito! Chas! Ano finally?
Devoured.
Ang ganda ng kuha nila.
Hi, Mamsi! Video to. Nakabito mo. Nakakontinue yun.
1, 2, 3.
Kasi most students ay aside from oily skin type dry.
Join me at the Kiehl's Masterclass here at Shangri-La Plaza. We had a free skin assessment to check our skin's hydration level and evaluate the condition of our skin barrier.
This one, ma'am, this is a skin barrier, which is yung walnut skin natin. Dapat intact siya.
We were guided by certified dermatologists throughout the session.
The passing kasi, ma'am, is 80%.
So, pasado naman po yung
Yes, you have healthy skin, as you can see. Your healthy skin.
We also had a mini lesson to learn more about Kiehl's products and which ones are best suited for our skin types. Here, she will be demonstrating the effect of consistently using the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution.
Paano naglalaking siya? So, more light, more healthy, and clear skin. Congratulations!
And I also got the chance to try their Derma Reader Pro, which can detect surface spots, emerging brown spots, wrinkles and fine lines, clogged pores, and more. And here's the result of my skin. Glad to see that I have excellent skin with only minimal damage. And Kiehl's is now finally on TikTok Shop, so you can easily purchase your favorite products anytime. Thank you, Kiehl's, for this amazing experience and the take-home goodies.
Survive.